Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll be learning how to use ADP Workforce for construction. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for adp.com, and you will be redirected to their website. Okay, and then right here, you just have to talk to sales, so you can contact their phone number right here in order for you to get a demo. But don't worry because the website have a soft launching demo. Okay, so here we have payroll for small business payroll and mid-sized to enterprise payroll. So for this one, I'm just going to focus on the small business payroll. Okay, so I have here now the soft launching demo. Okay, so we are going to use this. Right, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So if you are managing construction, then as you
A
can
full
see,
suite of tools for your
this is how it looks like. Okay, so we can now start the tour right here. So as you can see, you can easily run payroll for your company in just a few easy steps. All right, so here all you have to do is to um, click on the run payroll and you will be directed to this page. Now after that, you just have to tap on the save option. Okay, now you can get payroll and HR info at your fingertips, searching in your own words. So tap on next. So what you have to do is to type out right here. So how do I add a new hire? Next is to see the top things to do to stay on top of everyday tasks and to manage compliance with payroll and HR regulations. Okay, so here, as you can see, you can type it out right here. So Washington requires that you provide this information. And the next, so we have here now our data. So just have to click the last payroll to quickly review your most recent payroll. Okay, so just tap on the last payroll option right here at the top. So here you can also view canceled checks or dive deeper into payroll history and your reports. Okay, so next is here is the payroll options. So you can see here the payroll history, payroll details report, liability report, and more. Okay, so after that we have here now the people. Okay, so when you click on it, okay, so you'll be able to see here or manage your employees and 1099s. Also easily add and terminate your employees. Okay, next. So right here for the HR. Okay, so here on the HR section, whether you need quick answers from the expert HR help desk or a full suite of HR tools, can run powered by ADP can help you grow the team of your dreams. As you can see, we have the performance management, the benefits on leave, the HR compliance and guidance, and your HR reports. So here you can see the hire and onboarding. So the section we have the terminate and rehire. You can remove or rehire people in just a few easy steps. Okay, so that's for the HR. So here we can continue the tour. So we can also grow our business, of course. So we're talking about constructions. So right here, you can find and hire the right candidates fast. So here, ZipRecruiter and Run have team up to make it easier for growing businesses to hire. So let us now start the tour for the section. So you can Run connects directly to ZipRecruiter, where you can easily review, rate, and invite candidates to apply all in one place. So you can post your job right here. Okay, so you just have to go to ZipRecruiter, and then after that you just have to post here your job and then easily post the job from either a pre-built ZipRecruiter template or create your own custom job post. Okay, so yeah, again, if you are planning to use this one for your construction business or for construction, then all you have to do is to sign up. And then if you want to explore their self-launching demo, then you just have to visit their website and then just make sure that you use your work email. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.